Second MSc, fourth semester students, welcome to Properties and Characterization of Materials paper class. So in this session we will discuss Larmor precision. Larmor precision means when the atom is placed in an external magnetic field, the electron orbit presses about the field direction. Precision means this orbital vibrates about a fixed point. The next topic is Larmor precision. So when an atom is placed in an external magnetic field, so the orbit of the electron presses about the field direction as axis. This precision is called Larmor precision, and the frequency of this precision is called as Larmor frequency. External magnetic field. The electron orbit presses about the field direction. As axis. This precision is called Larmor precision. Okay, the frequency of this precision is called Larmor frequency. Right. Okay, this is the orbital of electron. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of angular momentum of electron. That is L bar. The total angular momentum So this is angle theta. This is the direction of magnetic field. This is magnetic moment, orbital magnetic moment. This is angle theta. Electron. A small length of this is dl. dl bar, the angle theta, that is omega into dt. This is L sin theta. This value is equal to L sin theta. L bar. The direction of magnetic field is V bar. Angular momentum of electron is L bar, which is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane. Let theta be the angle between L bar and B bar. Theta angle between L bar and B bar. The orbital dipole moment mu L bar of an electron is given by minus E by 2mc into L bar, and E be the charge, electrostatic units, and the electron mass is m. Here the minus sign signifies or indicates that the mu L is opposite to the L bar. As a result of this interaction with B bar, the dipole experiences some torque tau is equal to mu L cross B bar. Electron is external magnetic field B bar is applied to this electron. Then the torque applies, that is tau bar is equal to mu L bar cross B bar. So this is 2. So here from 1 and 2, the torque tau is always perpendicular to the angular momentum. The torque causes the angular momentum to change according to tau is equal to dl by the rate of change of angular momentum is known as torque, and the change takes place in the direction of torque. The torque tau bar on the electron produces a change in dl bar. Okay, a change in dl bar in time dt. The change in dl bar is perpendicular to the L. The change in dl bar, that is perpendicular to the L. That means the change in direction of torque and the torque is perpendicular to the L bar. The angular momentum remains constant in magnitude, but change in, here the L is constant but change in direction. Then if omega be the, here omega be the angular velocity of friction, then L bar presses through an angle d omega into dt. This is the angle omega into dt in time dt. This is the angular velocity in time dt, that is omega dt. So from this equation, from this case, omega dt is equal to, so right, this is angle omega, so this is dl. Okay, this is L sin theta. So this is like a cone, like this here. This is like a cone. So this is omega dt. So this is dl, and this L sin theta. Then omega dt is equal to dl by L sin theta, because angle is equal to angle, omega dt is equal to arc by radius formula for cone, arc by radius. Then omega is equal to, omega into dt is equal to modulus of dl bar by L sin theta, right. Then omega is equal to modulus of dl bar by dt into 1 by L sin theta, right. dl by dt means tau into 1 by modulus of L sin theta, right. Then tau is equal to mu L modulus of mu L bar into B sin theta. Therefore omega is equal to tau means mu L bar B sin theta by L sin theta. So therefore omega is equal to angular velocity of precision, so modulus of mu L bar, it is the only magnitude, by modulus of L bar into B. Thus the angular velocity of Larmor precision is equal to the product of the magnetic field, and the ratio of the magnetic moment to angular momentum, right? So again from equation 1, that is mu L bar modulus of mu L bar by L bar, mu L bar by L bar is equal to E by 2mc. Therefore omega is equal to E by 2mc into B. Okay, so this is the frequency, this is the Larmor frequency. F is equal to, the Larmor F is equal to omega by 2 pi. Generally frequency equal to omega by 2 pi. So omega means E by 2mc by 2 pi into B, that is equal to E by 4 pi mc into B, Larmor frequency. So from this equation, it is independent of angle theta between orientation angle theta between orbit, normal L bar and B bar. The mk units in SI units, so this frequency F can be written as F is equal to E by 4 pi m into B. So this theorem is considerable importance in atomic structure, as it enables an easy calculation of F is equal to E by 4 pi m, which is used to calculate easy calculation of energy levels in the presence of an external magnetic field. External magnetic field apply చేసినప్పుడు వాటికి ఎనర్జీస్ ని కాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడానికి ఈక్వేషన్ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుందని మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ Larmor precision and Larmor frequency. Okay, thank you students.